Hello, it's another interesting edition of Digital Skills in High Demand. It's your girl Joy, and in this video we'll be talking about data analysis, how you can become a professional data analyst, the benefits of data analysis, and where you can learn this skill and be very good at it. Data analysis involves collecting, organizing, and analyzing of data from various sources. Data analysis tools include data analysis using Excel, SPSS, Stata, Tableau, Power BI, R for data science, Python for data analysis, and many more. As a professional data analyst, you will have increased efficiency, enhance your customer satisfaction, improve profitability, and also improved risk management. The demand for skilled data analysts is high, and data analysis is a very powerful tool that can help many companies, organizations, and businesses to make more informed and improved decisions. As a professional data analyst, you should be able to improve your decision making by analyzing and organizing data. Data analysis is one of the digital skills in high demand, and with the right knowledge of data analysis, you will have a competitive advantage over your peers. Want to learn data analysis and be very good at it? Then you should consider a training school that offers practical hands-on training, that is, less theories and more practical. Another thing you should consider is a training school that offers project-based learning, where you get to build a real-life project before you graduate as a way of testing what you have learned. A training school with less crowded classroom is the best and the convenient environment for you to learn. The most important thing you should consider when enrolling to become a data analyst is a training school where a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. It might interest you to know that for the past 11 years, Bizmaro Technologies has been offering practical hands-on training on data analysis and various ICT skills. Our classes are not crowded, and when you get to register with us here at Bizmaro Technologies, a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. The most important part of this is you get to build a real-life project as a way of testing your competence before you graduate. What are you waiting for? Why not visit our website to learn more and register for digital skills in high demand? Call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen for more information. Stay up to date with technology. The world of data analysis is constantly evolving. Until I come your way again, learn digital skills in high demand. Bye.